Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Jonny here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. And for those of you that have just stumbled onto my channel for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. And for those of you that have already subscribed and are already following me, thank you so much. I really appreciate all the support and welcome back. So I thought I'd shoot across this quick video just really to give you a little insight in terms of how I'm doing so far. Now, for those of you that are familiar with my channel will already know that I've set myself a massive challenge of trying to generate £3,000 in just 31 days. Now, of course, the caveat to that is that I need to be generating this money all online. So, you know, since I've set myself the challenge just over 2 weeks ago, I have learned so much. It's been crazy. It's definitely been information overload, but at the same time, it's been very, very insightful and very exciting. You know, it is, you know, what this challenge has really shown me is that it is so possible to generate money online. You know, there are so many different ways available to you out there, and, you know, and they're quite creative in the way that you can generate this money just by using the internet. You know, I knew already before I set myself this challenge that there was always a way of being able to make a full-time living from just being creative, just by being resourceful in terms of all the various different strategies and methods that are able to you because of the power of the internet. Now, you know, my overall goal is, of course, to be able to be in a position where I am generating money online and not having to go into a 9-to-5 job. Again, for those of you that are familiar with my channel will know that I am currently in the process of redundancy, which means that by the end of this month, which is just under 2 weeks, I will potentially won't have a full-time job. Now, that is kind of what prompted me to start this challenge off, was really just to prove to myself and I guess to you guys that it is possible to generate money online, but what is required is a lot of hard work and consistency. You know, nothing is easy, and I think for those people out there that think that being able to generate money online is going to happen overnight, it isn't. And for those of you that are following me will know that it's kind of taken me just over 2 weeks to even see the signs of generating money online. So, you know, it isn't as easy as you guys might think. But again, this is the reason why I've put together this challenge, and, you know, the reason why my channel even exists, because I kind of want to show you and share with you my journey of being able to you know, aim towards and work towards financial freedom and being able to create income online, to be able to do this long term and obviously give some sort of stability. You do need to work on multiple streams of income, and again, this is why I've set myself this challenge. You know, I didn't just want to focus on one way of generating money online. I wanted to look at various different ways, and so far in this challenge alone, I've already have incorporated and have put into practice 4 or 5 different ways of generating money online. And you know, whether it be affiliate marketing, drop shipping, opening your own online Shopify store, buying and selling using various different platforms, no matter what the strategy or method is, there are definitely ways of generating money online. And you know, like I said, the most important thing that I think we all need to take from this is that you shouldn't just put your eggs all in one basket. You know, I guess when I first launched my channel, I was talking about making money online, and I guess it wasn't necessarily clear at that point that there were different ways of doing that. But certainly now, since I've done this challenge, I can certainly see that there are so many different ways of generating money online. And, you know, like I said, I'm hoping that so far, for those of you that have been following me on my journey, will see that, you know, it's possible. It really is possible to generate money. But I know that what is required is certainly consistency and definitely that hunger to be persistent and believe that you can earn money online. You just need to be able to be resourceful and find those different ways. Anyway, I feel like I'm kind of waffling now, but like I said, the whole aim of this video was really just to give you a little update in terms of like where I am, how I'm finding the challenge. I'm really hoping that my journey will inspire others and will inspire lots of you to go out there and really try it for yourself. No, it's not going to happen overnight, and I think it's important that you know that. But as long as you keep at it and you keep pushing forward, you are getting a lot closer to your goal. You would be a lot closer to your goal than you were yesterday. So I would definitely recommend it, but at the same time I think you need to be smart about how you do it. I wouldn't risk everything by leaving your full-time employment and just dedicating your time to it. I would recommend doing this as a side hustle to begin with, just like I am, and see where it goes from there. So guys, I'm going to leave it there for you. Like I said, I'm really conscious that I'm waffling. I don't want to bore you guys. But if you did like this video, please make sure you hit that like button. And also do not forget to subscribe. And also for those of you that want to continue following me on my journey and be notified of all the different videos that I'm putting out there, make sure you hit that bell icon, that special notifications button, so that when I do upload a video, you will be notified ASAP of when that happens. Guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Gonna leave it there. Stay blessed, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.